Da-na-na-na-na-na, I got a new project, yeah! Da-na-na-na-na-na, let's find out what it is. Ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-da-ba-da-ba. I am so excited in case you couldn't tell. Woo! It has been way too long since I've done a project. Ooh, material number one, or I should say tool number one, a microbit go kit. Okay, so there's a little bit of a hint. It's gonna use a microbit. What else am I going to need to build this project? Ba-ba-ba-da-da. Oh, I'm actually really excited about this. So this is a little robot kit for the microbit. It's called Binary Bots. And to be honest, I'm not going to build the bot that's on the front. It's a spider bot. But I am going to use the parts and pieces inside with a servo motor to build something very special. Yay! So hopefully I'll finish by the end of this month. We'll see. Yay, bye!